Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's now day 7 of the national lockdown, and it's exactly 4 weeks since South Africa registered its first case of COVID-19. We're now sitting on 1,380 cases and 5 deaths. Health Minister William Mkhize says, while it's pleasing to see the actual numbers are lower than what had been expected, we are far, far from out of the woods. He said the small growth in numbers could be the calm before a devastating storm. Now that the infections have reached communities, the rollout of mass testing becomes very important to get a real view of what the progress of the disease is and be able to better target interventions. Mobile units are being rolled out and will target so-called hotspot areas. The minister says the decision to intensify the testing is aimed at drastically reducing local transmissions. Now, the Transport Minister, Fikile Mbalula, has made an about-turn on his decision to allow taxis to load passengers to capacity. Mbalula has reverted to the initial regulation, which stipulates that there will only be a 70% loading capacity for taxis. The Duduza clinic in Ekurhuleni has been closed indefinitely. This after a nurse tested positive for COVID-19. The woman contracted the coronavirus after attending a church gathering in Bloemfontein last month. The Mangaung municipality in the Free State has put strict measures in place for funeral undertakers and bereaved families, as the remains of people who've died from COVID-19 is considered as high risk of spreading the infection. This means many religious and cultural practices will not be allowed. This morning, Telkom and Samsung will hand over 1,500 mobile handsets to the Health Minister to support the country's tracing efforts. And the World Health Organization says it's extremely worried about the effects the worldwide lockdowns are having on the poor. It's called on governments to put social welfare measures in place to protect the poor and the vulnerable. The virus has infected over 935,000 people, killing more than 47,000 of them. For this and more, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.